Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired country farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired country farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world charm, rural simplicity, and time-worn beauty. Looks like a cozy countryside home, filled with stories, history, and comfort. Vintage-inspired country farmhouse decor takes inspiration from traditional farmhomes and antique pieces, then mixes them with soft, welcoming country elements. The goal is not perfection; it is character, comfort, and lived-in beauty. Key characteristics: vintage charm, antique or antique style furniture, distressed oak, chipped paint, enamel art, old clocks, wooden crates, and heirloom pieces. Country farmhouse feel: simple, functional furniture, open shelving, farmhouse tables, apron front sinks, and practical layouts inspired by rural life. Use soft, natural colors like cream, white, beige, soft gray, muted blue, rose cream, and warm earth tones dominate the palette. Use natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, iron, wicker, jute, and stone. Create an earthy, grounded atmosphere. Cozy and lifted look, layered textiles, handmade items, crochet, quilts, own rugs, and gentle imperfections makes the space feel welcoming. Common decor elements: distressed cabinets and furniture, vintage mirrors and picture frames, floral or checked fabrics, use messengers, glass bottles, and tin containers, open shelves with everyday dishes, rustic sign or handwritten labels. Overall feeling: the style feels peaceful, nostalgic, and comforting, like stepping into a countryside home, while time slows down and every piece has a story. Here is deeper, more detailed information about vintage-inspired country farmhouse decor. The soul of vintage country farmhouse decor. This style is not about trends; it is about emotion and memory. It reflects a solar countryside life, where homes are built with care, objects are reused, and beauty came from simplicity. Every piece should feel collected over time, useful, not flashy, comforting, and familiar. Furniture philosophy. Furniture looks old, sturdy, and honest. Farmhouse dining tables with visible wood grain, chairs that don't perfectly match, cabinets with glass doors showing everyday dishes, dressers reused as storage or vanities. Nothing should look brand new. Gentle wear is welcome. Color and finish depth. Instead of bright colors, this style prefers soft layers, whites that feel creamy, not struck, muted blues, faded greens, dusty rose, with sun-washed finishes and chalk-painted surfaces. Natural wood alloy to show its age. The colors feels like they have faded naturally over years. Textiles and handmade touches. Textiles add warmth and personality. Use linen and cotton curtains that flow softly. Crochet lace and patchwork details. Use quilts folded over chairs or beds. Use cransack, checking stripes, and floral prints. Handmade pieces make the space feel lived in and loved. Styling approach. Very important. Vintage country farmhouse decor avoids clutter but loves intentional layers. Group items in odd numbers. mix glass, metal, and wood together. Leave breathing space between decor. Display practical items beautifully. Nothing feels staged. Everything feels naturally placed. Room atmosphere examples. First, kitchen. Use open shelves, ceramic bowls, wooden boards, enamel pots, and hanging herbs. Next, living room. Use soft sofas, layered cushions, a worn rug, vintage jug, gentle lighting. For bedroom, use iron bed frame, floral bedding, lace curtains, antique nightstands. Seasonal flexibility. This style changes gently with seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers, light linens. For summer, use baskets, airy fabrics. For autumn, warm tones, dried florals. For winter, quads, candles, and cozy layers. The base stays the same, only accents change. Emotional feeling. Vintage inspired country from house decor feels calm, nostalgic, safe, timeless, heartwarming. It is a home that welcomes you softly, not loudly. The philosophy behind the style. Vintage country farmhouse decor is built on respect for the past and comfort in the present. It celebrates duo, solo living, and emotional connection rather than perfection or luxury. This style claims all things deserve a second life. Beauty comes from air, not shine. Homes should feel safe and grounding. Ace patina and imperfection. Patina is essential. Scratches, faded paint on corners, and uneven textures are design features, not flaws. Distress finishes tell a story. Handmade items show human touch. Slight mismatched feels authentic. Nothing should feel factory perfect. Take our objects with purpose. Every object should feel useful or meaningful. Pictures used as vases. Wooden bowls holding fruit or keys. Old books stuck in a state of hidden. Crocks, jars, and tin repurposed. Decor blends naturally with daily life. Light, shadow, and softness. Lighting is gentle and firm. Use soft lamp in a state of harsh overhead lights. Candlelight for evening warmth. Use shade curtains filtering till light. The goal is a slow, peaceful glow, not brightness. Storage as decoration. In farmhouse decor, storage is visible and beautiful. Use open shelves with everyday dishes, baskets for blankets or vegetables, hooks for aprons, mugs, and bags, wooden crates as shelves or tables. Practical living becomes visual charm. Walls and surface styling. Walls are never empty but never crowded. Botanical prints and fitted art is made as mirrors with own frames, simple trees made of dried florals, chalkboards or handwritten sign. Surfaces feel layered yet breathable. Balance rustic and refined. The key is balance. Rough wood plus soft linen. Metal accents plus floral fabrics. Simple furniture plus delicate details. True rustic feels heavy, to vintage feel fragrant. Balance keeps it cozy. How it feels to live in. A vintage country farmhouse home feels calm in the morning, warm in the evening, welcoming to guests, comforting during quiet moments. It is a home that wraps around you gently. Why this style never faded? This decor style remains timeless because it is rooted in nature, memory, craftsmanship, emotional warmth. It evolves slowly, just like real life. This style is layered, not decorated. Vintage country farmhouse homes are grown over time, not stand in a day. Pieces are collected slowly. Objects are reused and reloved. Nothing feels reused or trendy. A room should look like it has lived many seasons, not on shopping trip. Materials that define authenticity. Real farmhouse windows style depends on honest material. Use solid wood, often reclaimed or aged, old iron and black metal. Use ceramic, stoneware, and clay. Linen, cotton, burlap are crucial to use. Plastic and shiny finishes break the illusion. Time as a design element. Time is visible in this decor style. Use slightly cropped frames, furniture that has been repaired, fabric softened by use. New items are chosen to look like they belong to the past. Everyday rituals influence decor. The way you live shapes the look. Tea trays left on the counter, books stacked near a chair, aprons hanging by the kitchen, blankets folded, not hidden. Life is part of the decoration. Emotional styling. The decor style works because it creates emotional safety. Rounded shapes feel gentler, soft fabrics reduce visual noise, natural colors calm the mind. It is a style that makes people slow down. Regional influence. Vintage country farmhouse decor adapts to location. European is softer, romantic, and more floral. American farmhouse, sturdy, simple, practical. English cottage farmhouse, layered, cozy, storybook. You can blend influences naturally. When it is done right, a well-styled vintage farmhouse home feels warm but breathable, old but cared for, simple but meaningful, calm but alive. You don't notice the decor, you feel it. Vintage inspired country farmhouse decor is not about copying photos. It is about honoring time, comfort, and human touch. It is a lifestyle, not a theme. This decor style comes from how farmhouse families once lived. Items are repaired, not replaced. Rooms are practical but welcoming. Beauty came from everyday use. So the style feels real, never staged. Furniture placement and flow. Unlike modern layouts, farmhouse spaces feel open but gentle. Furniture slightly pulled away from walls. Chairs angled naturally, not rigged. Clear walking path that feel relaxed. The room should invite lingering, not rushing. Lighting layers often overlooked. Lighting makes or break this style. On warm overhead light for soft glow, table or wall lamps for evening comfort, candles for emotional warmth. Light should feel like late afternoon, not midday. Crowded, useful beauty. Nothing is purely decorative. Tools double as side tables. Trays organize daily items. Basket store but also often corners. Function becomes beauty. Seasonal egging instead of seasonal trends. This style changes slowly, not dramatically. Soft flowers, not furniture. Jones textiles, not color palettes. Add layers in winter, remove in summer. This keeps the home timeless. Negative space matters. Silence in decor is important. Empty wall sections, mere wooden surfaces, simple corners with light. this pouch make vintage details shine. Why people feel at home instantly? This decor style works because it feels familiar even to guests. Avoids visual stress, connects people to nature and memory. It simply says, "You belong here." Vintage inspired country farmhouse decor is about comfort over perfection, history over trends, and warmth over style rules. How this style tells a story. Every farmhouse vintage home quietly tells a story of time. Items passed down or found secondhand. Pieces repaired, repainted, and used. Objects placed because they are loved. The home feels remembered, not deserted. Furniture aging and finish techniques. Authentic farmhouse vintage furniture often shows hand brushed or chalk painted finishes, light satin on corners and edged, waxed or matte surfaces, never glossy. Furniture should feel soft to the eye. The beauty of repetition, repeating shapes and materials create a space. Several ceramic jars together, multiple baskets in different sizes, matching but imperfect frames. Repetition makes the space feel intentional. Quiet focal points in a state of dramatic centerpieces, a wooden table with a simple vase, a shelves with a few well-chosen items, a chair with a folded quilt. The eye rests naturally. Nature inside the home. Nature is always present. Fresh or charred flowers. Use branches in simple bottles. Potted herbs in the kitchen. Nature keeps the farmhouse feeling alive. Vintage inspired country farmhouse decor is slightly imperfect, emotionally comforting, timeless, and forgiving. It does not demand perfection, it welcomes life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.